Why do you think Trump's team is asking Robert Costello to take the stand at the last minute?
It's an interesting strategy, isn't it, Alicia? Because Donald Trump himself had an opportunity to come testify. They declined that opportunity because, of course, anything he said there could be used against him. But having someone else, another third party, come in and testify to things might be able to keep some distance from Trump himself. I don't know what he's going to say. It sounds like perhaps he's going to say things that might discredit Michael Cohen, which is, I base that on the fact that Michael Cohen says he is going to testify also in rebuttal. And so, you know, this may be at the heart of the case. It may be a peripheral matter. And ultimately, the grand jury will make a decision as to whether they think this changes their view as to probable cause when they're asked to decide whether to issue an indictment.
Barb, two questions for you. What will it mean for Cohen to act as a rebuttal witness? Walk us through what that looks like. And there was something interesting that Cohen said in his interview from earlier today with Alex Witt. He said, I'm not certain whether or not I'm going to be doing this in front of the grand jury or whether or not I'm just going in for a meeting. Your sense as someone who has been through this process before, what that is likely to look like?
Yeah, so it sounds like Mr. Costello will come in and testify. He has a story he wants to tell. The prosecutors will really need to hear that first and evaluate the story, assess how important it is, and whether that might make a difference to the grand jurors. They might even ask the grand jurors, do you need to hear any more testimony now that you've heard this before we present an indictment to you? They may want to hear a response to it. So it sounds like they want to have Michael Cohen perhaps on call in case there is some new issue that arises, especially in light of the fact that they have a relationship. Perhaps it relates to Michael Cohen's credibility. And so then that would give the prosecutors a chance to put Michael Cohen back in and ask him about any questions that may have arisen and give the grand jurors an opportunity to question him as well and satisfy themselves that either, you know, there is no case or this does nothing to damage their assessment of the case.